Yes, marriage. Marriage is all about feelings. So mom told me that I should go and marry. Mom said I should go and marry. Father is telling me to go and marry. Everyone want me to marry. I said okay, I will get married. You understand? Because marriage is all about feelings. Marriage is all about trust and belief. Then if you want to marry, you marry to the rightful person. You know what? Guess what? I'm getting married to Lamborghini very soon. Yes, I'm getting married to Lamborghini very soon.